Here's 3 reasons why you should be using a sleep sack for your baby. Hi, I'm Kat. I'm a pediatric sleep consultant and I get your baby or toddler sleeping well. Sleep sacks are a fantastic tool and way to help your little one sleep better. There's loads of reasons why they are a great thing for your little one, but here are my top 3 reasons as to why you should be using a sleep sack. Number 1, the most important thing is it's the best thing to help your little one with safe sleep. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends no loose blankets in your little one's crib at least for the first 12 months of their life. It's the safest way for them to sleep. Number 2, they are a fantastic sleep association. When you do a bedtime routine with your little one, a sleep sack is incorporated into the bedtime routine, and what it does is it cues the onset of sleep. This means that when you go through your bedtime routine, put your little one in their sleep sack, you're sending them a really strong message that it's time for bedtime. It's a really calming process for them and they know what to expect, and they also know that when you're about to put them in the sleep sack that it's time for them to go to sleep. And number 3, it helps keep them warm consistently throughout the night. The great thing about sleep sacks is that you can buy them in different togs, T-O-G, and that way you can dress them accordingly to the season. Really often, sometime between 4 and 6 a.m. is the coldest part of the morning. So if blankets fall off, if you use a sleep sack, that means that your little one can consistently keep warmer depending on the temperature of the room. The time to transition out of a sleep sack is as soon as your little one starts to show signs of rolling. That means that swaddling is no longer an option because it's not safe for them, so then you transition to a sleep sack. Sometimes it can be tricky to know how to dress your baby for the room temperature and using a sleep sack, so I've done a previous video on this. So I will attach that video in the captions of this video to help give you a guide for how to dress your baby using sleep sacks. I hope this helps. Make sure you follow for more.